Hi, I'm back. This is Teacher Marvin, your English teacher. All right. Anyway, I just want to say good afternoon to all of you. And this afternoon, our subject is English phonics. All right. So, can you remember what we talked before? All right. If if you remember, can you please give me one clap? Okay, two claps. Okay, very good. Okay, so this afternoon, what we're going to do is that a continuation of our double O sounds, which is the short and long sounds of the double vowel sounds, which is the O or oo or oo. Okay, so let's start with our lesson. So here, I have it here. Okay, so just wait for a moment. Okay, let me share with you right now my PowerPoint here. All right, shall we start? Okay, so welcome to English program, the primary one. And our subject this afternoon is English phonics. And what is our topic for today? It's the short and long sound of the double vowel sounds, which is O and O. So how we are going, what's the sounds of O? Oo. Oh, all right. Okay. Now let's start with our lesson. And here it is. Okay, so I will going to show with you right now the pictures, and I will going to read first the word twice, and then you have to repeat right after me. Is it okay? All right. Now, shall we start? So the picture goes like this. So again, I will going to read the word twice, and then you have to repeat right after me. Okay. Food. Food. Everybody say food. Okay. Now, this time is what we're going to do is we are going to read one by one according to its letter. Okay. So from the word food, so we have F. What is the sound of F? Next, the double O. Ooh. Oh. And then D. What is the sound of D? D. D. Okay. So if we are going to read the word ooh, D. So it become food. Everybody say food. Again. F. Ooh. D. D. Food. Food. That's right. Next. How about this one? All right. So this picture named as wood. Wood. Everybody say wood. Wood. All right, let us try to read it. Okay, so we have it here. All right, so this one. The W sound is w, w, and then oo, oo, and then the letter D, 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 again, w, w, oo, d, d. Okay, let's try to read it. It's wood, wood. Everybody say wood. Good job. All right, let's try another word. Okay, this word described as good, good. Let's try that again. Good, good. All right, so let's read it. One. How we are going to pronounce the letter G? G, G. Next, oo, oo. And then letter D, it's D, D. Again, let's try that again. G, oo, D, D. Okay, it's good, good. Everybody say good, good. All right, good job. Another one is, all right, the picture shows or described as cook, cook. Everybody say cook, cook. All right, let's sound it again. What is the sound of C? K, k. And then oo. And then k, k. All right. So if we are going to read this, it becomes hook, hook. Everybody say hook, hook. Very good. All right. Let's try another one. So this is, okay, book, book. Everybody say book, book. All right. So let's sound it. It's what is the sound of letter B? B, b, oo, k, k. It's become book, book. All right, good job. Let's try another one. Are you familiar with this? All right, it's foot, foot. Again, everybody say foot, foot. All right, shall we try that one more time? Let's sound it again. Okay, what is the sound of the letter F? F. Ooh. And then, how about the letter T? It's T. T. So if we are going to read this word, it becomes foot. Foot. Everybody say foot. Foot. Very good. Okay, let's try the next word. I know you love to play here. I know you love to swim here. Am I right? Okay. So what is the name of this? It's pool. Pool. Everybody say pool. Pool. Okay, let's sound it again. So what is the sound of the letter P? P. P. Ooh. How about the letter L? So if we were going to read it, it become pool. Pool. Good job. Let's look another word. All right. This is a part of your house. This is a part of our house, which is, you can see it above. All right. So what is the exact name of this? It's roof. Roof. Everybody say roof. Again, roof. All right, shall we try one more time to sound it again? All right. So what is the sound of the letter R? And then ooh. And then what is the sound of the letter F? So how we are going to read this word? It's become roof. Roof. Everybody say roof. Roof. There you go. Good job. Okay, let's try another one again. You know what is this? Yes, of course. It's wool. Wool. Everybody say wool. All right, so let's sound that again. All right, so how you are going to pronounce the W? It's w, w, and then oo, and then the letter L. So it become wool. Wool. Everybody say wool. Very good. Shall we try one more time? Okay. And how about this picture? The name of this picture is hook. Hook. Everybody say hook. Very good. So let's sound it. Okay, what is the sound of the letter H? Okay, so ooh, ooh. How about the letter K? It's k, k. So to read the word, it become hook, hook. All right. So this time is I will going to show you a picture, and then you have to tell me what word is this. Is it okay using the double O, which is the double vowel sound, which is O and O? All right, so are you ready? Okay. Could you please name this picture? It starts with letter F. So what's the sound of letter F? F. All right, so that is foot. Foot. Very good. And then how about this one? It starts with letter H. Huh. That's right. It's hook. Hook. Okay. And this one, how about this one? It starts with letter B. All of the words, I know all of the words, you can find it some words in a book. So the picture shows as book. Book. That's right. Okay, and this one, it's very good. It's pool. Everybody say pool. Pool. What is the sound of letter P? P. P. And then the letter L, it's L. L. Pool. Pool. There you go. Okay, let's try this one. It's a food. Food. Everybody say food. What is the sound of letter F? How about the letter D? It's D. D. Food. Food. All right. And this one, it starts with letter W. 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 Very good. It's wood. Wood. Everybody say wood. Wood. Okay, and then this one. All right. It's a roof. Roof. Everybody say roof. Roof. Okay. And then how about this one? It starts with letter C. K. K. And it ends with letter K. 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 All right. It's hook. Hook. Everybody say hook. hook. Okay. This one. All right. It starts with letter W. Wah, woo, woo. Okay. It's a wool. 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 All right. Okay, let's try one more time. Okay, it's good. Good. Good job, should I say. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you enjoy with our lesson using the double vowel sound such as O and O. All right, so on your worksheet, what you are going to do is that you have to choose according to the three letters that start, which start based on the pictures given. Okay? And then please write correctly your name and then your student number, because some of you, Teacher Marvin, got some confused. I don't know, I don't understand some of your name. And please, you are studying English, so I am encouraging you to please write your English name. I know it's so really difficult for you to write it, but please try to practice to write your name in English. I know you are very good to write in Pasatay, but since you are studying in English, I hope you practice very well how to write your name in English. Okay, so that's all for today. I know you really enjoy with our lesson. So tomorrow is mathematics. Okay, so it's more fun in numbers. Before I will going to end out my lesson, I just want to say thank you so much. Just stay at home. This is Teacher Marvin Sawadee Cap, and bye-bye.